So, cameraman less. This is Automotive Inquiries, and this is the NGM axle back Delta exhaust. $500, people. Outside sound, actually pretty good. Inside, I got a good little rumble. Not obnoxious yet. We haven't moved yet. When I had my beautiful assistant showing us the outside rev ups and whatnot, she actually said versus stock, she could feel the car actually twist like torque, like the car felt like it had more horsepower just sitting there. So that's promising. All right, so here we go. Alright, so window down a little bit. You're not going to probably be able to hear most of this because, again, this system is not meant to be obscene or obnoxious. They promised me at Import Sharks that this has no drone. So if it has even a little bit, I will be agreeing with them. Because you can't expect an aftermarket exhaust to just do nothing. I mean, you're putting it on there for power or sound or whatever. And here we go. So I would say at 50, it has a really nice melodic throat, deep sound, I guess, if you will. Reminds me of my Subarus and the Nameless. And every time it gears down and kind of idles up, a really good sound. And I mean outside, I'm sure it sounds... I don't even know. I might have to have somebody do a drive-by of what this sounds like. But when you get on it, kind of sounds almost like it's wanting to suck everything in the world down through the intake and out the exhaust. It kind of makes this weird, like, I don't know, like hair dryer sound I've never heard before. But, most people, when they put a axle back or whatever, underneath this 2.0, there's not a mid muffler or a mid pipe or whatever that kind of looks like it's restrictive. It's pretty much a straight pipe off the cats with a little bit of kind of like bends and nooks and crannies for the underside of it, but really nothing crazy. Now this Delta exhaust for 500 will fit the 3.3 twin turbo also. You probably can't see shit because of the sun. I'm hoping you're picking up some at least interior sound. I won't know until I get her to do like a drive-by, which we'll do. See if you can pick up the throaty sound. Now, this might be the placebo effect or whatever, but it honestly feels in comfort mode, which I drive the car most of the time in, that it does feel like it has more balls. I don't know, really. I don't expect really anything drop in or bolt on or anything is going to really improve this stuff unless you're going all out. Downpipes, exhaust, tuner, chips, intakes, NOS, whatever else you're going to bolt on these bad boys for you to really say, man, it gave me blank amount of horsepower extra. I got it purely for sound. I don't give a shit. The car was fast enough as it was. Horsepower, great. Fuel economy, phenomenal. So we'll see. I'll have her do a drive-by test to see kind of what it sounds like getting on it. But other than that, good rumble inside. I have no idea what it sounds like on the outside. I don't have a GoPro or anything like that to do this yet. But one more time on getting on it. You can actually hear, like I said, it sounds like it's hunting for more stuff. So I don't know. So far so good. You keep your original shit just in case you want to go back to it. You can't go wrong with that. Engineers tweaked and tuned. It sounds just fine. Great economy, everything like that. So we'll see on the next one, guys. Late.